guys, come with me, have a look here. Măng Đen. So beautiful. Sunset in Măng Đen. So warm, guys. Eating the spicy stuff. Here, the fish ball. So good here. Good morning. I just woke up here. So yeah, starting the day in Măng Đen, right? Oh no. It looks like it rains. Oh man, that's why it's so cool inside. Oh man, that's basically my first rain while traveling in Vietnam, so my lucky streak is over. Hello. Rain. This was my bed this night. Warming up with some fire.
Nấu nước bò. Hiểu mơ.
Là cái gì?
Là em nói chuyện trong lúc ngủ á.
Ooh. So delicious. So, having a little walk, having my ice cream. Day is nice, life is nice. So, yeah, I'm here in a waterfall, which is actually there. Yeah, I was just focusing on eating ice cream and doing the video here. So, woo! I should have opened the ice like a little bit later so I can enjoy it, but I was craving for it so much. So, woo! Can you see that? Yeah, I think you can see it. Beautiful. So, waterfall sessions. I want to go the faster way, so nice. Love this kind of ice cream, where you have like different parts and you can snack literally the ice cream. So I really enjoy that. That was a beautiful view with this holy water. Good. Are really slippery right now. Damn! The waterfall is so loud, guys. I'm so close at it. Just chilling here. And well, yeah, I'm in a really steep area here. But what are you doing for the videos, right? Sacrificing your own safety. Here, look. That's okay, I have this here. It's a really underrated tourist spot here in Vietnam. it's not that crowded. It's not crowded like Dalat or Halong and Konya or anything else. So Măng Đen is pretty underrated. It's more for the locals and more for insiders. So I think in the coming years Măng Đen is getting more recognition, and it's definitely worth to come here around and have a look. The mountains, the fauna and the flora is beautiful here, beautiful waterfalls, and the temperature overall is really mild and still cold, but in a way which is still acceptable. So splendid. So wow, interesting tree here. The roots are really curly. So well, I gotta go further and everything's fine. Well, nice view of the waterfall here. Oh, if I would have brought snacks, I could have chilled there with a nice view. Never mind. Guys, this place looks like an awesome place to just run around and jump. In the Nhà Sàn here, Sàn house, I'm going to have a drink and some night snacks. So this is the best thing you can do when it's raining outside and it's cold. You just cuddle yourself here with a blanket, have a nice fire and a fireplace, some drinks. Ooh. Trời ơi. Học quay phim music video à?
Ca sĩ.
Chúc sức khỏe.
Mike Lâm Chắc.
Hả? Mai Lâm Chắc à?
Lâm Chắc.
Lâm Chắc.
Có nghĩa là Lâm có nghĩa là tốt, chắc có nghĩa là cơ thể.
Ồ.
Nếu mà mình dịch ra thì nó là như vậy, nhưng mà mình phải dịch theo nghĩa đúng là chúc sức khỏe vậy đó. Nhưng mà tốt cơ thể kiểu vậy. Giống như tiếng Anh của mình nó cũng
tốt
vậy đó.
Cơ thể là kiểu Lâm Chắc.
Lem Chắc.
Lâm Chắc.
Chắc.
Lâm Chắc.
Mình xem nè, chắc.
Ồ, cái đó khó.
Chữ chờ, anh đọc chữ chờ đi.
Chờ
đợi.
Chờ.
Há miệng ra. Chờ.
Chắc. Lâm Chắc.
Lem
Chắc. Lem Chắc.
Không phải check. Nè, Lem Tắc. Chắc chờ.
Chắc.
Chờ a cờ ắt.
Chắc. Lâm Chắc.
Chắc chờ anh phải